Learning English from zero to hero is absolutely achievable if you follow a structured plan and stay consistent. Here's a practical step-by-step guide that covers speaking, listening, reading, writing, and vocabulary, from complete beginner to fluent speaker. Step 1. Learn the basics of English. To learn basic English, start by learning common words and simple sentences used in daily life, such as greetings, questions, and answers. Practice speaking with others or use apps that help improve vocabulary and pronunciation. Listening to English songs, watching videos, and reading children's books can also make learning easier and more fun. Try to practice every day, even for a few minutes. The more you use English, the faster you will improve. Step 2. In English, a simple sentence usually has a subject, a verb, and sometimes an object. For example, she eats rice is a sentence. She is the subject, eats is the verb, and rice is the object. Another example is I like apples. Here, I is the subject, like is the verb, and apples is the object. To make negative sentences, use do not or does not. For example, I do not like coffee. To ask questions, use do or does at the beginning. Do you like tea? Learning how to use simple sentences helps you speak clearly and understand others better. Step 3. Learn to speak from step start by building a strong foundation in simple vocabulary and commonly used phrases. Begin with everyday topics like greetings, introductions, food, and daily routines. Listen to native speakers through videos, songs, or podcasts to understand pronunciation and natural flow. Practice speaking daily, even if it's just by yourself, repeating phrases or reading out loud. Try to think in English and use short sentences to describe your surroundings or activities. Speaking with others, even online, helps boost confidence and fluency. Be patient and keep practicing regularly to see steady improvement. Step 4. Create confidence for speaking. Creating confidence in speaking English takes time, practice, and the right mindset. Start by accepting that making mistakes is a natural part of learning any language. Instead of fearing errors, see them as opportunities to improve. Practice speaking regularly, even if it's just with yourself, by reading aloud or thinking in English. Surround yourself with the language through movies, songs, podcasts, and conversations. Try to speak with friends or join groups where English is spoken, as real interaction builds both skill and confidence. Focus on communication rather than perfection. With consistent effort, your confidence will grow as your fluency improves. Step 5. Reading books is a great way to learn English. Books help you improve your vocabulary and understand grammar better. When you read, you see how words are used in real sentences. This helps you learn how to speak and write correctly. Start with simple books and move to harder ones as you improve. Reading every day will make your English better, step by step. Step 6. Great. Practicing tongue twisters is a fun and effective way to improve your English pronunciation, fluency, and clarity. Here are some tongue twisters, from easy to challenging. Start slowly and then speed up as you get more comfortable. Beginner level. She sells seashells by the seashore. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Toy boat, toy boat, toy boat. Intermediate level. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? Black bug bleeds black blood. Advanced level. 6 slippery snails slid slowly seaward. Pad kid poured curd, pulled cold. One of the hardest according to researchers. The great Greek grape growers grow great Greek grapes. If 2 witches would watch 2 watches, which witch would watch which watch? Tips to practice. Repeat each tongue twister 5 to 10 times. Record yourself and listen back for mistakes. Start slowly, then increase your speed. Focus on clarity, not just speed. Hey, this video is for educational purpose for the students who want to learn English and speaking fluently. If you want to learn English in just simple steps, please do subscribe this channel at Grandpaa786 on YouTube. Thanks for your love.